You can pause the video here and try out the problem. Here we are exploring the properties of a rectangle. Now, we need to solve for x in this question, and x is going to be that length over there, okay? Now, what we do understand over here is that for a rectangle, the diagonals are going to bisect each other, right? So that means that this 10 meters translate to over here, which that part is also 10 meters. So first I'll tell them that AF is also 10 meters. And the reason I say that is because diagonals bisect. So that's 10 meters. However, I know a property of a rectangle is that this interior angle over here is in fact a right angle. So that means that this triangle is a right-angled triangle. So I'll first tell them that angle G is 90 degrees. And the reason I say this is because interior angle or angles of rectangle, right? The interior angles of a rectangle are in fact 90 degrees. Now that I have a right-angled triangle like this, and the only length that I don't know is this one, I can use the theorem of Pythagoras to calculate it. So I can tell them that this hypotenuse, which is 20 meters squared, is equals to x squared plus 16 squared, and the reason is pi. So that means that x is equals to, we can just punch everything into the calculator. You put the square root of 20 squared minus 16 squared, and we get 12 meters.